everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. We're going to be getting into sharing an update on my Ana Luisa pieces, and they're having an amazing sale right now, so I want to make sure I gave you a quick update, as well as my latest Wantable, which is their coastal edit. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks hanging out with me today. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Ana Luisa is having a sale of up to 70% off right now on select styles. So it's time to go check out their site if you haven't already. I've shared Ana Luisa on my site. I love it. I've shared it with family, with friends, with all of you, and everyone loves Ana Luisa. So I have a few pieces today, actually. I wanted to show you how they've stood up against the test of time, which is the most important, right? They do have a warranty, but I've never had to use it. Here's a couple chains I've worn on repeat, as you have all seen in my outfit of the day, what I wore videos. I love to stack them. Also, here's one of my bracelets I like to stack. So these are not fresh out of the packaging. I have been wearing these for quite a long time. Wear resistant, tarnish resistant, water resistant. They're all the things. And like I said, they have a 2-year warranty in case you have any issues, of which I never have. So definitely time to go check out their pieces. They have earrings, ear cuffs, all the things. Go check them out. Wantable is our next topic today, and I'm so excited to dig into this box because it has a coastal club theme. So Wantable is a styling service similar to Stitch Fix. You can get up to 9 items in your boxes, which I love. If you keep, I think it's 3 or more, you start getting a discount. So they have a tiered discount model, which I'll go through with you. They have a stream where you can go in and you can request items. So for instance, there's a couple items in here that I put on my most wanted list. There's a little button beside some of the items, and if it has that button, you can click on it, and that means that you have a good likelihood of getting that in your next box. But you can also request and decline items as well. Has your stylist getting to know you even better, and you have a good chance of getting items that you really like and want. Okay, so here is my bundle, and of course I'll put the information for Wantable down below as well. Here's my bundle, and I love how they personalize it. See how it says "Styled for Laura" there, and then you get a little pamphlet that's going to tell me all about this particular box. So I have notes from my stylist, my pricing sheet. It tells me which ones I've requested, which ones were most wanted. So out of my 9 items, I have 3 requested and 2 most wanted. That's pretty good. My stylist is Jordan, and let's get into it. All right, I'm excited. What do you think, Zach? Huh? It's so nice to be outside. It's gorgeous out here. The wind is picking up a little bit, but it's so nice. All right, so I have a bag to return anything I don't love and don't want to keep. And then my first item is one of my most wanted items. This is by Supply. This cute little tank. I'm loving the stripe. This feels very coastal to me. I love it. And this isn't the next item that they're showing me, but I had to go. This was the other most wanted item, the matching pants. How cute are these? Again, very coastal, right? You wouldn't have to wear them together. Separately, they're adorable, but I thought together they would be as well. So I can't wait to try that. I hope they fit. Next up, a pair of white denim. These are by Mica. And let's see. They are the super high wide leg. These are like white. I love that. These are like a white. They look cropped. They have fun pockets here in the front. I think those were also ones that I requested. I like those. Then we have another pair of pants from Supply. I love Supply. These are the Scout linen pant. And are these lined? People can see they're lined. They're double. Yeah, they are. They're lined. These are pretty. These also scream coastal to me. I like those, and she sent me a matching top for them. And see, these are a little bit off-white, whereas this is white. I love this. So then she sent me a button down to go with it. The perfect button up. Nice and flowy. That would be cute over a bathing suit or by itself, right? That is cute. Then we have Cozy & Company sweater with the lobster. How adorable is that? This would be cute for Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July as well, with the red and blue. Pair it with white jeans. How cute would that be? All right, and then we have another Z Supply top. This one is the Charlene embroidered top in black. I like that bottom. That's really pretty. This one is lined too. Has the extra lining. I like that. Next up is the Boa Rib Tank by Z Supply. I like this because it's not restrictive. Sometimes when you get the little banding, it can be a little tougher around like movement, but this one seems quite nice. So we'll see what it looks like on. That's really cute with the little cutouts there. And then the last item I actually did request. I thought it was adorable for a little summer vacation. How about this little clutch? I like this. It's even got a strap in there. That's adorable. It would pack well because it's flat, so even, you know, take on vacation could be your bag. It could be used as a clutch for parties. So I'm excited about that too. All right, Jordan did a great job. This is going to be fun. Let's get to it. First outfit, I couldn't resist trying on the Z Supply outfit. This one is so flowy and fun that it's fabulous. All right, so I have on the linen pants. You can see it. Love them in the breeze here, right? They are fully lined, so not see-through. They're linen, so they have some wrinkles. You're just going to have to embrace it. I'll probably put them in the dryer to try to get a lot of those out, but you're going to just embrace it, right? Has elastic waist pull-on. I have on a small because I always size up in these, especially when there's a liner underneath, and these are probably, I have extra room in them, but I think that's okay. It makes them more flowy, right? So here's what they look like. Perfect beach pant, right? All right, and the same with this little buttoned up, right? So you could throw this on as a top layer in case it's cool. You can put it over a tank like I have it right now, or just wear it by itself with a little bralette, or over top of your bathing suit. Covers the tushy. But you could do all kinds of fun things with this. You could do a little crossover, which makes it nice and easy. I love that look. Right? How cute is that? You could tie it in the front as well. Button it, don't button it, like just all the different ways you could wear this. So I'm enjoying this just as a fun little top layer. It would also pack well. It's not going to take up a lot of room in your suitcase. You could travel with it. So I can't believe I'm like talking myself into another button down, which I typically don't want. All right, and then, oh, I meant to show you the different arm lengths. Okay, so this one is buttoned and down, and this one I cuffed, which is what I would do, but I wanted you to see arm length, and my arms are on the shorter side. They're almost always looks like this on me, so that's normal. Okay, this little tank top, how cute is this one? So it does have nice stretch. It fits really nice under the arms. I'm enjoying this little cutouts. It's a basic black. You could wear it with all different things. Looks nice with these pants as well. So many ways to wear both of these pieces, the top and these pants too, like mix and match. You don't have to wear them together, of course. All right, let's do pricing for these. The Boa Rib Tank in black, I'm wearing an extra small by Z Supply, $48. The Perfect Button-Up White in extra small by Z Supply, $78. And the Scout Linen Pant in white, I'm wearing a small, $78. And I could add my little clutch to this outfit, the Braided Envelope Clutch Bag in ivory by Frame Accessories, $36. And I don't think that's a bad price at all. So how cute would that be even, just to add as your clutch to go out? Right? Let's keep going. Next outfit. Okay, so you could also turn the bag into a shoulder bag, and you can adjust the strap even more and make it into a crossbody as well. Has the little leather hand strap for when you carry it as a clutch. So I'm really enjoying this one. Adorable. Paired it with the Mica denim. These are such a nice bright white cropped denim. Yes. And then the sweater, right? This sweater is adorable. with a little lobster on it. I love this. With the white, but you can wear it with regular denim as well. So cute. Perfect for the evenings when it gets cooler. Yeah. I think my stylist did really well with this collection. Definitely sticking to the coastal vibe. All right, so for the super high-rise wide leg jeans in white, and they are high, they're hitting me right at my belly button. $89. I'm wearing a size 26, which is my normal size. For the boat neck knit lobster sweater in navy, I'm wearing an extra small, $64. Next up, the little lace linen tank by Z Supply. This is such a cute one. I like it with the white pants, the higher waist, since it's kind of see-through here at the bottom, but lined everywhere else. Has the square neck. I happen to have a white back bra on. Worked for the first tank, doesn't work for this one, but that's all right. You get the gist. So pretty. I love the little cutouts here at the bottom. Look like little seashells to me. Is that not adorable? Yeah, I really like this. It fits well, and I think I'm wearing an extra small. Let's confirm. Yeah, this is the Charlene embroidered top in black. I'm wearing an extra small by Z Supply. $68 is the price. And we're down to the last outfit. Final outfit is my most wanted outfit by Z Supply. How adorable is this one with the striping? These are scalp, but they have pockets, which is new because I have several scalp that do not. So I love that this had pocket, and the other pair I shared also had pockets. Crop length. Flowy, comfy, like so easy. Elastic pull on. You could do a little front tuck or keep it out. How adorable is this? I think now we're getting a helicopter that's going to make noise. It's the only bad thing. I can't control what happens out here. All right, maybe it's past now. So I love this set. You can obviously wear them independently as well. These two, this set and the other set she sent me, sorry buddy, would be great mix and match sets to throw in a beach vacation. Like, would be awesome. What do you guys think of this one? And again, grab my little bag, goes with all of it, and we're set. Okay, so for these pieces, the Sloane knit striped top in cloud, I'm wearing an extra small, $58, and the Scout knit striped pant in cloud, I'm wearing a small, $88. Let's talk about what to keep. So first, I hope you liked being outside. I recognize the wind, my hair's a mess now, the noises that happen, but hopefully you're enjoying the birds and the outside scenery. Let me know if you want me to keep filming outside. I do like it. This outfit I have on, I want to keep it. I love it, and I think we can mix and match it so nicely. I love it. Don't forget my Ana Luisa jewelry. How well did it pair with all these pieces, right? Whether you're going every day, dress up, or casual, Ana Luisa is going to do it for you. Really, seriously. Okay, this little top, loved it. I know they have a matching little mini skirt for this, so if anyone likes that and wants a set, I'm not going to do any mini skirts, but I noticed it and thought it was cute. All right, the white pants, yes. Do you know I'm going to say yes to everything? Yes. Yes to the tank. And I'm shocked at myself, but I love this set. I thought the pants were nice and flowy. I got to watch the playback to make sure there's nothing I didn't miss, since now I'm just watching inside my little screen here. And I even like the button down. The matching set was adorable. So I have a problem we have to decide, but I think I like it all, so let's see what that means. Okay. So for all 8 pieces, $607, I have a $10 credit. I think we're offering a special if I did early on, plus my $20 styling fee. And then I have some cashback credits from prior boxes I've used. So I can get everything for $427, which I'm thinking is a yes, yes, yes. So the way it works is if you buy 3 items or more, you get $30 in credits towards your next box. If you keep 6 items or more, it's $75. And if you keep 9 items or more, it's $120 towards your next box. So that's how their cashback works. I like it because you only have to keep 3 and still get money back, and I like that because sometimes I don't love it all, and I love it all this time. I really do. Let me know what you thought, and as always, I will list all these items down below in case you would like to check any of them out with your stylist or request any of them to be in your box. Don't forget to go out and request or decline items, as well as give them that most wanted sign to those pieces that you really, really do want. And please go out and check Ana Luisa, all their amazing pieces, up to 70% off, and so worth it. They do withstand the test of time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. All the links for Wantable and Ana Luisa will be down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.